AirPods. More magical than ever. Now with more talk time, voice-activated Siri access, and a wireless charging case, AirPods deliver an unparalleled wireless headphone experience. Simply take them out and they're ready to use with all your devices. Put them in your ears and they connect immediately, immersing you in rich, high-quality sound. Just like magic. The new AirPods deliver the wireless headphone experience, reimagined. Just pull them out of the charging case and they're ready to use with your iPhone, Apple Watch, iPad, or Mac. After a simple one-tap setup, AirPods work like magic. They're automatically on and always connected. AirPods can even sense when they're in your ears and pause when you take them out. To adjust the volume, change the song, make a call, or even get directions, simply say, "Hey Siri," and make your request. You have the freedom to wear one or both AirPods, and you can play or skip forward with a double tap when listening to music or podcasts. AirPods deliver 5 hours of listening time and 3 hours of talk time on a single charge. And they're made to keep up with you, thanks to a charging case that holds multiple charges for more than 24 hours of listening time. Need a quick charge? Just 15 minutes in the case gives you 3 hours of listening time, 4 or 2 hours of talk time. Automatically on, automatically connected. Easy setup for all your Apple devices. 6. Quick access to Siri by saying, "Hey Siri," or setting up double tap. Double tap to play or skip forward. Charges quickly in the case. Case can be charged with a lightning connector. Rich, high-quality audio and voice. Seamless switching between devices. Instant setup. Easy listening. AirPods connect immediately to your iPhone or Apple Watch, and sound switches seamlessly between the devices. Want to listen to your Mac or iPad? Just choose AirPods on those devices. Easy setup, magical results. What's in the box? AirPods. Charging case. Lightning to USB cable. Make them yours. Personalize your AirPods with free engraving. Find the right AirPods for you. For buy, click on the link in description.